Okay, I just started using this pickleball paddle set and it is phenomenal. I've only tested out one of the paddles, but they are the same, so I'm assuming they both work the same. Comes with this really nice sturdy ball bag, which is convenient. You can put some things in that mesh pocket in the front, and then it stores both paddles and then 4 balls, and you could actually probably fit a couple more balls in there if you needed to. This is the orange paddle. It is super great material and very affordable. It has a honeycomb core in it. It's lightweight. The other paddle that I have, it's still wrapped in the little plastic because when I play, it's just me and then some of my friends that have paddles. So here's the blue one, what it looks like when it's taken out of the package. Has a nice grip to it. It hits super well. I was a little worried at first, but it actually hits super well. So this would be a great paddle for beginners, but I play weekly and this is still a great paddle for me. This brand actually sent it to me and I love it. I love that it kind of comes with everything that you need and at a very affordable price too.